11:30 Gaming here today, and I've decided to embark on a few projects, including this bike horn I found attached to this bike I found on the curb. It's a really old bike, it has this horn. I found this compressor at a flea market for like 20 bucks. And there's more projects coming up in the following weeks, so watch out for a video series on those. But I think you know what the idea of today's project is. So, we've got a compressor, we've got a bicycle. Why is the video being so choppy? We've got a bike horn, alright? We're trying to make the world's loudest bike horns. Let me start by firing up this compressor. I hope I don't break the microphone in the process. More than enough, hopefully. And now let's start off by okay, so the basic idea works. Now, I guess in the future I'd add like some sort of a that's loud. See, if I just pump in too much air, it stops making any noise at all. Wait, it actually just gets... Okay, then. Well, now I know that project works. That's always good, I guess. But overall, look for a few projects coming up in the next few weeks. I work on electronics and everything else. And, well, yeah. I recently found this compact Presario unit, this computer. It's an ancient one. It's like one of the first PCs I ever had at Savers, so... Anywho, watch out for a new video series coming up in the future on these projects. Bye!